Are you sick to death of writing articles nonstop or paying out the nose for someone to write them for you? Believe me, I know what it's like. If you're like most people, you start a new website full of drive and excitement and make good progress writing loads of content for 2 or 3 weeks. But then, writing about the same thing over and over gets boring quickly. Suddenly, the love of your new website is gone. And to make matters worse, you see other websites outranking yours and end up so confused as to why your website isn't making any money. Previously, the only way to generate the huge amount of content required to rank a website was to slave away for hours a day or pay an army of writers. But sometimes, forking out this kind of cash is just not an option. This is why I'm excited to be able to share our new content generating tool with you today. It's called Chimp Rewriter. My name is James, and for the last 5 years I've helped thousands of web marketers just like you pump out streams of unique content, which they have used to rank websites in basically every niche you can think of. We realized that we could turn this into a system that anyone could use, and so Chimp Rewriter was born, giving you access to unlimited, unique, copyscape passing content. What makes this rewriter different to any other rewriter out there is the combination of intelligent automatic rewriting and a powerful set of tools which makes achieving high levels of uniqueness a breeze. No other system combines these two essential elements of article rewriting. Some tools promise you that in one click all your content prayers will be answered. Not quite. The problem with these is that they never truly add enough variation to avoid being penalized by search engines. Now, we'll show you how Chimp Rewriter. Once you've installed the software, this is what you'll see. Pop in an article. Now easily add some replacements using the synonym selector, or simply by right-clicking on a word. Let's rewrite an entire sentence in seconds using rapid rewrite. Pretty quick, huh? During all of this, Chimp Rewriter is constantly doing heavy lifting in the background to make this process easier for you. By analyzing the text using sophisticated language algorithms, it knows the exact role each word plays in the sentence. For example, it knows that this word is a noun, and this word is an adjective, and always suggests the best fit. Awesome, huh? You can also rewrite entire sentences and paragraphs at a time. We'll finish this article off with an automatic rewrite that uses the first contextually aware rewriting engine ever seen in the industry. From a massive database which is learned from around 20,000 users, Chimp Rewriter will rewrite in a way which does not change the meaning of each overall sentence. Alright, now that the work is done, it's time to create some unique articles. Clicking here tells Chimp to generate variations of our article. Then we tell it to find the variations which are the most different from each other. In other words, we've just generated 10 of the most unique variations possible of our original article. What you've just seen hasn't even scratched the surface of the powerful features inside Chimp Rewriter. You can also easily find and load content on a website that you can start from scratch, quickly add images and video to make your articles more appealing to search engines. Use artificially intelligent language tools to rewrite in a way that sounds natural while adding large amounts of uniqueness. Have Chimp Rewriter learn from the way you write and automatically provide the best synonyms for your style. Submit content directly to your WordPress website, and much more. The constant feedback from Chimp Rewriter owners has been overwhelming. Nick Cavaretta said, "Chimp Rewriter is a program I've been searching for. I came across this little gem, and with the bonus extras and copyscape integration, I'm impressed. I don't buy things easily, but with this tool, I save time at a minimum 1 week's worth of writing per month." Stephen Crystal Ayuso wrote in, "Chimp Rewriter is off the charts, a far better article spinner than the competition, and believe me, I tried them all. It's simply faster, better, more accurate, and the synonym database is unique and loaded. Chimp Rewriter has all the great features to use in our online business. There's no debate here." Bradley Gerlash said, "Chimp Rewriter is an invaluable tool in my own private SEO network. It allows me to get incredibly unique spins on a large amount of content needed for my site. I have used 2 competitors and find Chimp Rewriter the best and easiest to use rewriter available today. I couldn't have my own private network without it." By now I bet you want to know how much Chimp Rewriter is going to be. And that's a fair question given that the articles can cost more than $15 each. At that price, it's not hard to rack up hundreds in cost. For example, 20 articles would cost $300, and that will only get you through 1 month. However, the reason we created Chimp Rewriter is that we understand that many people just can't afford to spend this kind of money every time they want to rank a website. And so, for a strictly limited time, we're offering a special deal. The normal price for Chimp Rewriter is $199. If you grab your copy today, you can get it for a one-time investment of just $139 or $69 per year. So, if you've had enough wasting time and money on content and you're ready to start creating an endless flow of unique content, just click the buy button below. We're ready to prove everything we claim. Download Chimp Rewriter right now and see it for yourself with complete peace of mind for 60 days. Put the risk on us with an absolutely no questions asked, no reason required, zero risk, 60-day, 100% of your money back guarantee. One email and you'll have your money right back. Seriously, we're that confident. For a limited time, we're even offering 3 bonuses. You'll receive a massive pack of 5,000 articles across dozens of niches, which are free to use however you like. This means you don't have to write anything from scratch and can get started right away. You will also receive the definitive guide to article spinning. This is an awesome 19-page guide that includes step-by-step instructions to make it incredibly easy to create the perfectly spun article. And finally, you receive a second license for Chimp Rewriter so that you can use it on both your desktop and laptop computer. Together, these bonuses are valued at $215, but you get all 3 for absolutely no extra cost. The bottom line is, if you don't do something about your content requirements now, nothing's going to change. Waiting on the other side are the keys you need to finally start ranking your sites using unique, human-readable content that is safe from search engine updates. Imagine what it feels like knowing you'll never have to waste your precious time and money on content again. Grab your copy of Chimp Rewriter by clicking the buy button and let's get started today.